Coasters work hard every day to protect your furniture from the sinister sweat of your soda pop glasses. So don't you think your coasters deserve to look fantabulous? Well, with an American button machine, they can. Now, in order to make sure your drink sits level on the table, you're going to need a coaster insert. So what you're going to do is gently guide the insert into the upper die. It's magnetized, so the insert will snap into the center hole of the upper die, like this. It's very important to make sure that the insert is fully seated into the upper die, or you could damage the insert and the machine. Hear how it doesn't wobble when I jiggle it? That means it's in there correctly. Next, you're going to place the front shell sharp side down into the shallow die, followed by the artographics that you want to use, along with the clear plastic mylar on top of the shell. Then rotate the die so that your components are all underneath the upper die. And here's where the magic happens. Pull the handle down and watch everything disappear. What? Next, insert the coaster back, sharp side up, into the deeper die. Rotate the die again, and pull the handle for the machine to crimp everything together. Shazam! Oh yeah! Now all that's left to do is peel and stick the adhesive cork onto the back of the button. Look at that! Now this little guy is ready to go to work and protect my lovely desk from those disgusting water stains. Fantabulous!